In this video, we're diving into the story of Father Christmas, also known as Santa Claus, to explore his origins, evolution, and the magic he brings to the festive season. Along the way, we'll learn some useful English vocabulary to help you talk about this beloved character. Our story begins with Saint Nicholas, a Christian saint known for his generosity and kindness. He lived over 1,600 years ago in what is now Turkey, and stories of his gift-giving spread across Europe. In Britain, the figure of Father Christmas emerged during the Middle Ages as a symbol of merriment and goodwill. Originally, he wasn't associated with children or gift-giving, but represented the festive spirit of Christmas celebrations. Over time, British Father Christmas and the American Santa Claus merged into one figure, known for delivering presents to children on Christmas Eve. Today, Father Christmas, or Santa Claus, is easily recognizable with his jolly laugh, red suit, and big white beard. The idea of Santa flying in a sleigh pulled by reindeer became popular thanks to stories and songs written in the 19th century, like "'Twas the Night Before Christmas." In the UK, families prepare for Father Christmas by hanging stockings by the fireplace and writing letters filled with wishes for Christmas morning. On Christmas Eve, children leave out treats, usually a mince pie and a glass of milk for Father Christmas and a carrot for his reindeer. Father Christmas travels the globe on Christmas Eve, bringing presents to children who have been good throughout the year. On Christmas morning, the magic of Father Christmas is revealed as children open their presents, creating memories that last a lifetime. Father Christmas is more than just a character. He's a symbol of kindness, generosity, and the magic of the holiday season. Now it's your turn. How is Father Christmas, or Santa Claus, celebrated in your country? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to download our free PDF with vocabulary and fun facts about Father Christmas. Subscribe for more festive videos and language tips. Merry Christmas.